Hi anak, it's mommy. I just want to say happy holidays to you. At saka sana magustuhan mo yung mga regalo namin sa'yo. Okay, so I just want to say I miss you and I love you so much. So much. Okay, ang laki-laki mo na anak. Landi-landi mo pa, manang-mana ka sa pinagmanahan mo. Ay nako. Anyways, um, happy holidays na lang sa'yo anak, okay? At saka, sana magpakabait ka. Sana, maganda yung kalagayan mo ngayon dyan. I-regards mo lang ako kila Ate Mean, Ate Patin, Kali, Banjo, Mama Betty, Papa Jing, okay? Alright, to everybody, I love you, baby. I love you so much. Mwah.